Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video you will learn how to make these types of glitchy text animation in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get started. First I create this composition here and take the background here. You can take any background. Okay, let me show you the composition settings. Okay, it's totally HD 1920 and 1080, frame rate 29.97 and duration 5 seconds. Okay, now I write something like I will write. Okay, glitchy. Okay, not all cap. Glitchy text animation. Okay, so here it is. Now I will like to make this thing like 200 or 100. 150 will be okay, I guess. Okay, and here I will decrease the different size, and here I will go for a line. Okay, so that's it. A glitchy text animation. Okay, let me show you what I choose. Is Futura LT. Okay, extra bold. You can take any type of font you want. It's totally your own choice. Now let's create a new solid layer here. Okay, and like go to effect and preset, and I will choose like fractal noise. Here I get fractal noise. Okay, here first basic to dynamic, progressive, and soft, linear to block. Okay, here I will increase the contrast as much you want. Okay, and little bit of brightness. Okay, here I go to transform, and this not to check this uniform scaling. Here I will increase the width of it. I would like want to have these steps of, you can decrease a little bit. Okay, and scale height I will decrease. It's totally your choice how you want your glitch here. And here now go to evaluation options and press alt and click this random sheet. So we can add some expression here. I will like time into 15. Okay. Now if we see the animation, you can see this will be our glitch. So here, okay, pause this and make it pre-compose here, and select this move all attribute into new compositions. Okay, now I off this glitch layer, and again create a new adjustment layer. Okay, and let's search displacement. Okay, displacement map. Okay, here go to choose the glitch. Okay, first let's make it, it will be easy for us to change, like rename. It is our fractal noise. Fractal noise, and this adjustment layer I will name it like, okay, glitch or displacement. Okay, now here I can see the displacement. Here I will choose go to fractal noise. Okay, here you see the already glitch is happening, and I will like maximum this glitch effect. like 40, and you can like increase this here. So that's all right, but what you can see is here. Okay, so what you can see, there is like back in the background, the black glitches is here, but we really don't want it. So what we can do, just go to the background you chooses or the solid layer, then press Ctrl D to duplicate. Okay, now select the displacement map and press Shift and select this 4 number layer background. Okay, except the last background and make it decompose. Okay, now you can see there is nothing is here. This totally open. Okay, but you can see the whole 5 second, the whole composition, the all time is glitching, but we really don't need it. So what you can do, we can like change the displacement map. So first create control and your arrow, your left arrow. So select and you can go to like 2 frame or 3 frame and press Ctrl and select this displacement map and press Alt, then second bracket. Okay, now like press Ctrl D to duplicate this layer and make it like here in 1 second and make it little bit smaller, and again press Ctrl D to duplicate, again move it something somewhere like this. Okay, like here and increase it. It's totally your own choice how you want to make your glitch animation here. So I will do it like this. In the gap you will see the real text and other time there's a glitch. So the glitch effect will be like awesome. Okay, so here all done. Now let's see the animation. So you can see how it is working. So in this way you can make these types of digi text animation here. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see these types of animation. I also make Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator animation here also. So subscribe to my channel to get all the types of tutorial. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and see you in my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye and take care.